Hello, this is Sunny from my Happy Space. Just hopping on to help you set up for this week's memory verse. We are in the week 3, and this week we are doing 1 Corinthians 13 verse 6, and we just continue on with it. A tip what I do is every time before I start saying that up, I start from the beginning, say the first 2 verses, and then I just continue with the 3rd verse or the 2nd verse, however it is, just to have a nice flow of the verse. So yeah, obviously this is the verse we're going to memorize this week. So you're going to put it behind the daily verse. So this is the verse you're going to concentrate on the daily basis. Your old daily verse, you're going to move into the even section. As I said, I just practice it every day, especially if it's a one passage in the Bible, but you can do it every second day if you want. The old even day, you're going to move into the odd section. So the odd days of the week, you can memorize it, or every day. And then your old odd verse, you're going to move into the weekly section. I'm going to put it behind Sunday. I think we did it last time behind Saturday, but you can choose any time. And then your old Sunday verse, you're going to put behind the monthly section. I'm going to put it behind the 7th or behind the 6th, because I think we've done it last time behind the 5. But yet again, you can choose any section. As you can see, I've got a few verses I need to revise on that day. So yeah, when it comes to the 6, I'll just quickly go over these verses, plus just concentrating on my daily verse and my even and odd at my weekly verse. So I hope that makes sense. And then tomorrow morning I will get to my practice sheets and I will just write down my memory verse, practice it, as I've done last week also. So I hope it's a great week. Yeah, I hope to catch up with you this week. Last week was a bit of a busy week. I just didn't have time to make any sort of stories on Instagram. But I hope to catch up with you this week. God bless. Bye-bye.